Here we have Volkswagen Up. It's a 1 litre Move 60 PS. Now the car is in great shape and it has a top spec, including hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, heated rear window, 6 speakers front and rear, a multifunction display plus, an anti-lock braking system, and these 15-inch Fortaleza alloy wheels. Now the boot can go even deeper and it has a spare wheel. The interior has a 5-inch colour screen, an aux and USB input, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.